What's up, guys? It's Adam Della here with another useful video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up a piston filler fountain pen. I know a lot of people that get their first fountain pen, they look at it, it's confusing. This guy said that this has vacuum cleaners in it. I don't know. So let's take it step by step and break it down. What do you do with a piston filler? You got yourself the narwhal per se, and it is a nice entry-level piston filler pen. So instead of having a cartridge, this has an ink reservoir built into the pen. Now, first, I'm gonna need my trusty ink rag. Get that ready to go. I like to create a little workstation for myself with my ink rag. I'm gonna get my pen ready to go first, and then I'm gonna uncap the ink. Basically, no matter what I do, I'm trying to cut down on my uncapped ink time. That's how you get your spillage. That is how you make everybody in your life hate your fountain pen. You gotta have your ink rag. Each one of these is an avoided fight with a loved one. So I'm gonna get my fountain pen ready to go, and you will see I'm going to get the plunger all the way down, and I'm going to do that by turning the cap here. So the plunger is now all the way down, and it is ready to suck up some ink. So we're going to start the uncapped timer. Get the clock going. I like to dip it so that I fully submerge not just the nib, but also a little bit of the plastic too. And dipping, and so I'm going to fill it up once, and you'll see it's not going to fill up fully, so I'm going to push it down through again. And so if it doesn't fill up all the way, what I do is I take the plunger when it's halfway undone, and then I turn it upside down. And now you'll see all the inks at the bottom, and we have a lot of space there. So I'll just push the plunger back up now. And this is why you don't want to do this when it's full of ink and there's some space, because if you push the plunger, you're not going to have any room to play. So you're going to want to suck down anything left in the feed before you push ink out. We're going to want to pull down all the remaining ink in the feed just with some suction. And then I'm going to push the ink back up to the top here. And so now we've filled that little gap. And I'm going to wait until I see just a little bit of ink coming out of the top of the nib, right at the feed, where the feed meets the section. And then we're going to go for another dip, huh? How about it? Dip number 2 with the piston filler. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. And we got a full fountain pen. Now, before I get too into cleaning that off, I'm going to stop the uncapped timer. Beautiful. All right, clean my nib, wipe down I don't know, I like to wipe down the feed a little bit. I don't know, I'm new to this. Again, I'm working on my grammar, I'm working on my filling, but as you can see, we have a pretty darn full fountain pen here, and it's ready to write. So why don't we do a little writing? I hope you found that helpful. That was how to fill a piston filling fountain pen. And stick around and I'll show you how to fill a few other types of pens. But until the next time, a penman's salute to you.